Hello, everyone. This is Danny Martinez. Welcome to this short video, another one of our quick feature highlights of Sage HRMS, a complete human resources management solution that helps you improve your data collection and policy management so you can make smart HR decisions for your business. In this session, I'd like to take a few minutes and show you how the premium version of Sage HRMS Payroll can work for your organization. The screen that I am currently on in payroll, you have the opportunity of setting up the employee payroll in HRMS. You have all of these different areas from general, class schedule information, cost center, payroll codes, also deduction codes. You can also set up the payroll taxes. What I'd like to mention here is that Sage HRMS Payroll does deliver all of the quarterly tax updates, so you will be fully compliant with payroll. So according to wherever you're processing payroll, you will have that tax information built into the software. You can set up the employee EFT. So if you're doing direct deposits, you can set that information up. There can be multiple records of EFT within HRMS Payroll. You also have access to the employee activity. So as you're running those payrolls, you have the activity according to the month, the years, you have month to date, quarter to date, year to date information, and you also have snapshots of the check history. So at any time you can come in, you can open up that physical check. Maybe you need to print it out, distribute amongst the organization, or maybe even reprint for an employee. Nice part here is that if you have the ESS portal, you can reveal these check stubs in the online portal so the employee can quickly access that electronically in the portal, also on their smart devices as well. You also have accrual information. So if you're set up with vacation, sick, or compensatory time accruals, you have quick snapshots of that also in HRMS payroll. Biggest benefit with the HRMS payroll being that you have these areas defined and on the employee record, you can now come in and process payroll. This can be US or you can even process Canadian payroll. The screen that I'm showing you here now is what we call the customizable payroll process map. In my organization, being that I have the HR module, I start off with opening my payroll. So I am bringing in all of the HR changes, new hires, pay changes, maybe even terminations, benefit information updates. All of that now is syncing into payroll. I can now start off with a time card list, or maybe even import time cards from a third party, or if I'm using the Sage HRMS time and attendance, I can import that time instead of keying in a manual time card. I can then come in and calculate the payroll. I can now come in and do what we call the pre-check payroll register report, which is my pre-balancing. I can print and post my checks. I can do the after balancing. I can create the EFT file for the bank and upload that over to my particular bank that I'm using in the organization. I can now process time off and I can create that batch for my GL. Another nice feature is out of the box, it does come with all of the payroll reporting. So you have employee payroll reports, transaction reports, general ledger, and of course, the wonderful federal tax filing, state tax filing, and also the W-2 forms. If you're using Atrix, this is a wonderful mechanism because everything is delivered through the software, and now Atrix takes that file securely and can file on your behalf. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch the many other highlight videos for Sage HRMS Premium.